Welcome to Light of Iman quiz. Today, we have 15 questions to test your Islamic knowledge. Are you ready? Let's begin.
How many pillars of Islam are there? 3, 4, or 5, or 6? What is the Holy Book of Islam? How many daily prayers are obligatory for Muslims? Which prophet built the ark? A. Ibrahim, B. Musa, C. Nuh, D. Yusuf. Which month do Muslims fast? Who is known for his patience? What is the meaning of Islam? What is zakat? Which prophet interpreted dreams in Egypt? Which surah is recited in every unit of prayer? Which angel brought revelation to prophets? Who was the last prophet in Islam? How many chapters, surahs, are there in the Quran? What is the night when the Quran was first revealed? Which city was the first Qibla? You've completed today's quiz. How many did you get right? Comment below and stay tuned for our next quiz on Light of Iman.